Hello friends, once again this is me unknown personality. In this video I will discuss about the new leaks of Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's start, but first is subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos notifications. According to the new report from Galaxy Club, Samsung will not offer any sufficient camera upgrade to its Galaxy S22 Ultra and could it end up reusing the hardware from the S21 Ultra instead. The report clarifies that Samsung will stick to a 108 megapixel main camera backed by a 10 megapixel periscope with 10x zoom, a 10 megapixel telephoto module with the 3x zoom and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. There was a big specific leak regarding the Galaxy S22 Trio earlier this week would also detail the camera setup of the S22 Plus and the vanilla S22. Both are set to gain all new 50 megapixel RGBW sensors alongside 12 megapixel telephoto lens with the 3x optical zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide snappers. Google Club also confirmed these reports and adds that the two smaller S22 members will see big camera gain compared to the predecessors. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.